Okay, we learn about the physical features of Asia. Okay, can you see the light yellow color? The northern lowlands. These are the northern lowlands. Okay, you have to do this map in a outline map of Asia. Okay, just to color it. The map will be plain, so you can color. Okay, yes, this is the northern lowlands. All plains. We can see the plains. Okay, here you see these West Siberian plain. Okay, yes, this all. Next one is central mountain belt. This all dark color is full of mountains. Here only we have Himalaya, Hindu Kush, Karakoram, all kind of mountains and plateaus, even some highlands. Okay, ranges. Next we see the southern plateaus, that is in light yellow color. Okay, southern plateaus, Arabian plateau, here Deccan plateau, here Shan and Yunnan plateau. These three plateau we can see here, plateaus. Okay, next one is the river valley, green color, river valley. This is Ganga Brahmaputra valley, Mekong valley, Hongo valley. This all valleys. Nearby the river, the place is very fertile. Okay, that is basins. Next you see the island groups in the color of pink. Okay, the pink color island groups. Yes, these are the island in the like Malaysia near Singapore, Sumatra, Java, Indonesia, Philippines. This all, even this islands of Andaman, Nicobar, Lakshadweep, everything is belong to the island group, that is in light pink color. So these are the divisions of physical divisions of Asia. Okay, can we list again once again? Northern lowlands, central mountain, southern plateaus, river valleys, island groups. Okay, okay, now we will come to know about the northern lowlands. This is the picture of the northern lowland, the Siberian, West Siberian plain. Okay, I'll show you some more of the, see, can you see the West Siberian plain? This all green color, all we call plains. Okay, Siberia, near Siberia, around everything green in color. Okay, can you see this all part? It extends from the Ural mountain to ends in river. Okay, big lowland, that is northern lowland, that we call that plain. Okay, yes, can you see here and there all green color, we call that plain, but especially this up part, the west side and north side, more we can see the northern lowland. Next one we see this central mountain belt. This is the central mountain belt. Can you see the map here? Exactly in the middle of the continent, full of mountains. Okay, can you see the mountain near Turkey? Okay, here Armenian knot. Can you see the thing? This is the point of the mountain. From there, like branches, it's going. Okay, same thing here in India. Nearby India is a Pamir knot. Can you see this? Yes, this all you can see in the dark color line. This all mountain ranges. Okay, these are the mountain ranges. Okay, we'll learn some of the ranges. This mountain system has the Pamir knot and the Armenian knot, and number of young fold mountain ranges radiate in all direction from the Pamir knot. This is the Pamir knot. From here, the number of ranges are moving everywhere, especially everything from this place only, the dark brown place. This only they are showing directly to closer. Okay, yes. Next we see this southern plateaus. I told you southern plateaus. This is in Arabia one plateau, in India one plateau. This is Deccan plateau where we are living. We are living on the plateau only. This is Yunnan and Shan plateau nearby this Southeast Asia. Okay, can you see this part? Yes, this is the plateau of Arabia. This is the plateau of Deccan. This is the part of the plateau of Yunnan and Shan. Okay, we'll read about that. The Arabia plateau is a dry desert region with no rivers. It has a steep slope along the coast of Red Sea. Okay, can you see the Red Sea? Yes, this is the Red Sea. Along the coast of this, we have the the plateau of Arabia. There is no river in this. Next we go to Deccan Plateau of India. The Deccan Plateau of India rises steeply and slopes gently from the west to east. This plateau is cut by a large number of eastward flowing rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Yes, this is the place you see, west to east. This is the plateau. The rivers are flowing from here to east. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi. Can you see this? This is in India. Next one is that is Shan and Yunnan, the plateau. The plateau and the of Myanmar and China respectively. It's there in the Myanmar and China nearby here. Okay. Yes. Now we'll go to the next one, the river valley. What is the next one? River valley. We'll go to the river valley. That is, can you see the green part? Ganga, Brahmaputra, Hango. Is this all part, and we are going to read about that. Next, first one is a Mesopotamian plain. Okay, formed by the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Okay, in Iraq. This is the one. This is the place. Mesopotamian river valley, Iraq, the place, and two rivers are Euphrates and Tigris. Okay. Next one is Indus Plain, formed by the Indus River and the 5 tributaries of Pakistan. Okay, this is the one they are telling, Indus River. Okay, Ravi, Satluj are 5 rivers. Jhelum, we see the 5 rivers here, and there only we call this river valley. Near river, the place we call fertile place, basin. Okay. Next one is, the third one is Ganga Brahmaputra plain, formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers in India and Bangladesh. Yes, this is the one. India and Bangladesh till here. Okay. Next one is the great eastern plains in China are formed by the Hongao, Changjiang and the Sikyong rivers. These are the rivers flows here. Okay. This is in China, Mongolia nearby. Okay. Yes, these are the 4 plains we see. Okay, and 3 plateaus we saw, that is Arabian Plateau, Deccan Plateau and the Plateau of Shan and Yunnan, and these are the 4 plains. And the next we are going to see the island groups. Okay, the several groups of island lie towards the east and south east of mainland of Asia. Okay, the many groups we see in the southeast side of mainland of Asia. That means this here by Southeast Asia. These are all the islands which are in the water, surrounded by all side water. The piece of land we call island. Okay, so some of the islands are, there are major islands, 3 major islands groups, namely Japan, Philippines, Indonesia. The Malay archipelago is the largest island group in the world. Okay, these are the places. Many islands together we call archipelago. Okay, many small islands together we call that name. So Malaysia nearby, many islands are there. Indonesia, Philippines, everything we call island group. Now you understand something? Now can you see the map here? This is the physical map. In this map only I took and wrote some of the things. Yes, it's a little hard to find here, but can you see here? Easily you can make it out. Plateau of Arabia, Plateau of Iran, Caspian Sea, Ural Mountains, West Siberian Plain, Verkhoyansk Range means mountain, Mongolian Plateau, Gobi Desert, Plateau of Tibet, River Hongho, River Changjiang, Himalayan Range, Ganga River, Yamuna River Indus, okay, River Mekong. These are the places you have to mark in your physical map. I'll give a photo of this. You mark as it is, and all the mountain ranges you have to mark with brown color, plateaus with yellow color, river with a little light blue color. On the river only you just draw a line, that's all. Don't draw more color, don't color more with blue inside the land. And plains you have with green, basins green, Yes, you can make this. Yes, the question answers for this lesson. Small short answers. List the physical divisions of Asia. This is the physical divisions of Asia. Okay, northern lowlands, central mountains and southern plateaus, river basins or river valleys, and island groups. Okay, next one, describe the river basins of India. You should know about the 4 river basins. Some mountain names you should know. Okay, many mountains I showed you in the map, and you can write a note on island groups. What are the 3 plateaus of Asia? 3 plateaus in the Asia. Okay, detailed answer. Why do we call the Asia is a continent of extremes? You should write all the features, the special features of Asia, and list. And second one, list the political divisions of Asia. We learnt to know South Asia, Southeast Asia, East Asia, West Asia, some countries name. You have to list that. This is detailed answer. You must memorize this. With the interest you can do. You want to know the places, no? So you do with your interest. Next one, the map work. Identify the countries of Asia. This you have to list. This you have to identify. Okay, identify the physical features of Asia. You should know the physical features. That is this map. This map you should know. Where is the mountain, where is the plateau, where is the river, that all you should know. Okay, once you get the book, you can come to know more. Now shall we learn the little about the